Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can run tests belonging to one or more test classes. So let's run nRoBo command with switch files, and then let's see. Okay, so we want to run this test class test by homepage. So specify the path test GUI by homepage test, then colon and test class name, and that's it. And to save time, let's use the instances switch with value 10, so the test will run in parallel. So although we have only 3 tests, it's okay to specify higher value and nRoBo will handle it. So this time all the tests from test by homepage will run, and here the tests are running. That's it. Let's open the report, and here we can see all 3 tests belongs to test by homepage class. So that was about running tests from single test plan, and now let's see running tests from, you can supply n number of test classes, but in this test run we are going to run tests from 2 test classes. So here we have supplied test action chain methods, and let's see inside that we have this test class. So let's supply like after colon. So this time test belonging from test action class and from test by homepage class will run. So this started running in parallel. Let's wait till they finish. So test completed. Let's open the report, and here we can see test 3 tests belongs to test by homepage class, and 1 test belongs to test extensions method. That is about how we can run tests from one or more test classes. Thank you.